Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to set advanced render parameters. Let's try it together. Enter Interior Design. Select Render from the left toolbar. Select Advanced Settings to adjust the image effect. Advanced Parameters. Move the mouse to the small question mark to see the effects before and after the settings. Function 1. Color Correction. Checking color correction can fix the impact of color bleeding in the rendering. Function 2. Affect Specular. Checking Affect Specular. Keep the spots displayed by the light source on the reflective material. When unchecked, the spots displayed by the light source on the reflective material are not displayed. Function 3. Use new materials on finished light strips. When you check Use new materials on finished light strips, it can resolve rendering issues with the old material, such as breakage, overexposure, and inaccurate brightness, resulting in better rendering quality. Function 4. Ambient Occlusion, AO. Checking ambient occlusion, AO, enhances spatial depth by adjusting size and radius, making the rendering clearer and more realistic. Function 5. Specular Reflection. When rendering a scene with mirrors, you can check specular reflection. After checking it, the reflected image will be shown on reflective materials, but it will increase the rendering time. Function 6. Render complex materials. When a project uses replacement materials and 3S materials, checking Render complex materials will make the results more realistic, but it will increase rendering time. That's all. Thanks for watching.